లోక్సభలో రాహుల్ గాంధీ మాట్లాడకుండా ఎవరూ అడ్డుకోలేదన్నారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్యనాయుడు. ఆ పార్టీ ఎంపీలు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు రాహుల్ ఎందుకు మాట్లాడలేదని ప్రశ్నించారు. రాహుల్ గాంధీ మాట్లాడినప్పుడల్లా కాంగ్రెస్ కృషించిపోతోందన్నారు. పార్లమెంట్లో మాట్లాడకుండా ప్రధానిని అడ్డుకుంటున్నందునే ఆయన ప్రజాసభల్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నారని చెప్పారు.
He was speaking in parliament, na? Every time he comes on vacation to parliament once in a way. He is not regular. Yes. And he makes statements. So he has been speaking and Congress has been shrinking. He has been speaking and Congress has been shrinking. The Congress once had 444 seats in Lok Sabha. Today the Congress strength is 43 or 44. First let him take care of his party. And more abusing Prime Minister, वो किसी को शोभा देता नहीं. The Prime Minister is so popular across the country and across the globe. So the Congress men are frustrated. That's why such comments. The entire country is watching. Now, who prevented him from speaking on the day one?
But all say.
When Manmohan Singh could speak, why not Rahul Gandhi?
But all.
Point is simple, na? Allow the House debate, follow the Rashtrapati's advice, and then you will see what is going to happen. They are afraid because they will be exposed. That's why it is something extraordinary that has happened. The Prime Minister of the country is not allowed to speak in the Lok Sabha and he has to speak in the local Sabha. That is the irony of this country, and this is how this opposition Congress is behaving in a most irresponsible manner. Congress is irresponsible, immature and ill-advised because Congress have ruled the country for more than 60 years. They should set better examples than others. We are comparatively juniors, but they themselves are leading from the front and then they are disturbing the house.